known industries. Computer application. Chapter 1. Introduction to computer. A computer is an electronic device, operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory that can accept data, input, process the data according to specified rules, produce information, output, and store the information for future use. Data, information, and knowledge. Data, facts and figures which relay something specific, but which are not organized in any way and which provide no further information regarding patterns, context, etc. So data means unstructured facts and figures that have the least impact on the typical manager. Information. For data to become information, it must be contextualized, categorized, calculated, and condensed. Information thus paints a bigger picture. It is data with relevance and purpose. It may convey a trend in the environment, or perhaps indicate a pattern of sales for a given period of time. Essentially, information is found in answers to questions that begin with such words as who, what, where, when, and how many. Knowledge. Knowledge is closely linked to doing and implies know-how and understanding. The knowledge possessed by each individual is a product of his experience, and encompasses the norms by which he evaluates new inputs from his surroundings. The content of the human mind can be classified into 4 categories. 1. Data, symbols. 2. Information, data that are processed to be useful, provides answers to who, what, where, and when questions. 3. Knowledge, application of data and information, answers how questions. 4. Wisdom, evaluated understanding. We need to understand that processing data produced information and process information produces knowledge, and so on.